Hi everyone, I am back to the another video. So today I have very interesting topic to discuss on that. So if I become the topic name is if I become a Prime Minister of India, and this is an amazing topic, and there is so many things I would like to work on this. So first thing is I would like to work on this. I wanna do that the strict punishment for the rapist, because I don't know why in India there is a no strict punishment for that. And you see that the other countries, Australia, Dubai, and there is a lot of country are there, but you know that what is the punishment out there? Sudden death. And it is too amazing, not amazing, but it is a lesson for everyone who think about the single word of rape in a mind. And it is too terrific. And in India there is a no like big law and big punishment are there. You know what, but I will do that. But I will do that. Who did the rape? I just go to the market and stand the person and just call the media. If I become a prime minister, I just call the media and just start the live recording and just took out the gun from the policeman and just shoot it out the person. This is a lesson for everyone who think about a single word of rape in their mind. And who did that? Who did that? Just that I shoot out. This is a lesson for everyone. Hardly like last couple of days I know about the news. There was a girl 16-year-old. You know that how many person is raped? That 16 people. This is too terrific and too disaster when I heard that. And also the another girl is 6 year old. It is too terrific when I heard about this. So sorry. When I heard the news I'm get emotional. There is a only law. You have to kill the person, and it is a lesson for everyone. So yes, the second thing is I would like to work on this sex education in a children, for the children, because you know that the poverty age is 12 to 15. When the children is growing up, there is a lot of changes are coming in a body, and I don't know why the people why they shy about the sex education, because it is an important thing. When you know about the things, and also you have to taught your children's there is a good touch and bad touch, and also you have to do that. When you don't do that, they grab the information from the wrong person, and also the wrong person is misuse your children also, and you have to do that. And also this thing is you have to apply in a colleges, in a schools. There is a no colleges, but in a school is mandatory. It is important. If I become a prime minister, and it is very important, you have to taught your children, student, the good touch and bad touch. And there is a lot of cases are coming out, and it is very important, and don't shy about that, because everyone have a private that you have to discuss of that. Only the children, because children don't know about this. There is so many harmonic changes going on when the life is the phases changes 12 between the 12 and 15 years, and you have to taught your children, and it is very important. And don't shy about that, so yes, so third thing is I would like to work on education. Like day by day is education is improving. There's a lot of changes coming, but I would like to change on, suppose, like first I just giving you example. When you are the children, so you just know the things with the curiosity. There is a lot of things are there, you just would love to know that. There is so many things there. But when you grow up, I'm talking about 10th standard, 11th standard, and 12th standard, and college life. And right now I'm in a college, fourth year is going on. And I don't know why the education is too much forcing all the theoretical knowledge, but according to me practical knowledge is the more important. But you don't know where to use theoretical knowledge. But the important thing is but you study in a theoretical, you have to apply in your life, and also the practical knowledge. If I become a prime minister of India, I'm gonna do that. Half class of theoretical knowledge, half class of practical knowledge, because it is very important. Suppose just you are watching a movie after 10 years, I just ask you what is the movie of, like there is any part of that, I just ask you, you know about the part, and you suddenly tell me. If I talk about study, you just forget. But this is the thing you have to change. Also, I'm gonna change if I become a prime minister of India. Half thing you have to study, like in a theoretical knowledge. Half study you have to go in a ground and analyze the thing. You have to go chemistry lab, physics lab, biological lab. Whatever you study in a class, you have to apply. Practical knowledge, and it is very important also. There is a three major thing I would like to change on that. There is a lot of cases are there I would like to change on that, but three major thing is very important. First is rapist. I would like to work on this, the strict law for them. Second is sex education for the children, and third is education, like not in a half in a practical way, a half in a theoretical way. So so I completed that. So thank you so much for giving your valuable time. I will meet you with another video with the exciting, sorry, I don't know why I'm humble like. I will meet with another video with the exciting topic. So right now, and thank you and bye bye.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the